guys, my scalp is so clean. And guys, these products, they smell so good. Hello everyone, my name is Chichi and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you're coming across this channel, thank you for clicking on this video. But please don't make it your last time here by clicking on that subscribe button, giving this video a thumbs up, and also letting me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey besties, good to see you again. In today's video, just as the title says, I'm going to give you my honest review on the Mega Growth Anti-Dandruff Kit. Disclaimer here, this video is not sponsored, even though I would have loved it to be, but nonetheless, let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to be talking about is how I found out about this product. So I've known about the Mega Growth brand for a while now because the first relaxer kit I used when I stopped using those cup relaxer was the Mega Growth Perfective Relaxer Kit. I used to be someone that struggled with dandruff, and as at then, I didn't take it serious because I felt like it was a normal thing, and I wasn't into the whole hair care, routine and all of that. But at some point, it got worse because I was itching a lot. Like my hair would always itch me. I could make my hair today, and in 3 days, my hair is already itching me. So I decided to do something about it. But initially, the plan was to just get like a regular shampoo and conditioner instead of using the ones provided in the salons, because I felt like those were the things that were causing the dandruffs. But then again, I actually wanted to go for the Cantu brand because they offered the whole hair care routine thing with the shampoo, conditioner, and everything you need to take care of your hair consistently. But then again, I realized that their target clients are those with unrelaxed hair, and my hair is relaxed. So I needed a brand that takes care of relaxed hair. So I started doing my research. Upon doing my research, I decided to go for the shampoo, the conditioner, just anything that I could get to, have a consistent hair routine going on. And then I stumbled on the anti-dandruff kit. Initially, I just wanted to get the shampoo to try it out, but then I stumbled on this wonderful 3-in-1 package and I was sold. And the reason is because I had already gotten the hair strengthener and it works like magic for my hair. I even use it for my wigs, so I just decided to go with this, and that is how I found out about the product. So the next thing I'm going to be talking about is the product ingredients. Before I buy anything, I always do my research. And guys, I would advise you do so you can be sure of what you're putting in your hair, your skin, and your body. So this is the Mega Growth 3-in-1 package, which comes with the shampoo, the treatment, and the spray. So it says here that the shampoo has an active Zipto system. What this Zipto system does is to remove or eliminate hair dryness and flakiness. Those dry things that as a result of a dry scalp that clogs your hair follicles. This is the work of the Zipto system. It actively removes them, and it says here that it removes up to 100% flake with every wash, so you can be guaranteed about that. Then the next thing I want to talk about is the treatment. It says here it has an active clenbuterol system. What this does is to reduce dryness and increase hydration. When your hair is not properly hydrated, it leads to dryness, which then leads to flakiness. So that is the job of the clenbuterol. And the third thing is the spray. It says it contains an active 2% salicin system. And what it does is it gives instant relief from itchiness and, scalp irritation and all of that. So these are the active ingredients in each of these products. And it also contains coconut oil, menthol, and tea tree oil. What coconut oil does is that it moisturizes and it nourishes the hair, and menthol soothes and stimulates hair growth. And then tea tree oil also soothes, and it also has antifungal properties. So these are the ingredients present in this product. So now it's time for me to give my honest review. So the first thing that drew me to this product is the packaging. Guys, can you look at this? This is so beautiful and catchy. So I was like, hell yeah, pardon my friend, I'm going to buy this. So yeah, the packaging is beautiful and it has everything listed out. It's like very self-explanatory. You don't need anybody to tell you how to use the product. So yeah, the packaging. The second thing that drew me to this product is that it is cost effective. Remember I said I wanted to get shampoo, conditioner to, build up a consistent hair routine. But then I stumbled on this three-in-one packaging and I was like, wow, this is so thoughtful of the brand. Another thing is the price. Guys, it is relatively not expensive, very affordable. You can get this from the range of 5,000 naira to 6,500. It depends on where you get it from. So yeah, the price is really, really awesome. The third thing I love about this product is that it is a quick fix. For people like myself that do not like stress or complicated hair routine, this three-in-one packaging is a lifesaver. It comes with a three-step method, which is wash, treat, and maintain. And because it is so simple, it encourages consistent hair care routine. I'm so glad that the Mega Growth brand were thoughtful enough to put that into consideration when making this product. The fourth thing that drew me to this product is the fragrance and quantity. Guys, I already knew that this product was going to smell good because, like I said, I already had the hair straightener and conditioner and it smells so good. So I already knew that these products were going to smell amazing. And guys, these products, they smell so good, the three of them. So yeah, another thing is the quantity. This is the shampoo. I've only used this 4 to 5 times and my cousin used it once and it's just like we've only used up to half. There's still the rest of the remaining half. Guys, like, it's amazing. You're getting value for your money. Even the treatment itself, it's half as well. So the only thing I know I haven't used so well is the spray because you're meant to use it when you feel scalp irritation and itchiness. But since I consistently use the shampoo and the treatments, I hardly feel itchiness or scalp irritation. So this one still has a lot or a long way to go. So guys, like I said, you're getting value for your money. Guys, the fifth thing that wowed me, that totally blew my mind about this product is that it eliminated my itchy scalp. Remember I said when I make my hair previously, 3 days into making my hair, I'm already parting my weave. My scalp is already itchy. Residues are already falling. But after the first use, after the first wash, I noticed visible changes. Even my hairstylist testified to that. Even my cousin testified to that. Remember I said she used it once. She also testified to that. Guys, my scalp is so clean. And remember, this video is not sponsored, so I have no reason to come on here and lie. Just use it and thank me later. Another thing I love about this product is the cooling effect I feel when I use the shampoo and the treatment. It just helps me calm my nerves. It just gives me this relaxed vibe when I'm washing my hair. It makes me look forward to hair wash day. Remember, it contains tea tree oil and menthol, which helps to stimulate. So you can just already feel that, stimulation and new hair growth when you're washing your hair. It's amazing. Another thing I love about this product is that it made my hair look darker. Like, I don't know, my hair became darker. Naturally, I have dark hair. Maybe I would say it enhances your natural hair color. It gives it this beautiful shine. I love the eighth thing I love about this product is the soft and silky feel of my hair. Like, my hair feels so soft and silky. Like, it's just amazing. I cannot even say this enough. Go and use this product. The ninth reason I love this product is that it is good for both relaxed and unrelaxed hair. My hair is relaxed, my cousin's hair is relaxed, and it worked amazing for both of our hair textures. And guys, the 10th and final reason I absolutely love this product, I am thankful for this product, and one of the major reasons I am making this video is because my hair grew in length and volume courtesy of this product. The key ingredients of this product fight against scalp dryness and they help with hydration. And it also contains menthol that stimulates the scalp. When the scalp is stimulated, blood flows regularly to that area. It is well circulated and it promotes hair growth. I didn't even think too much of this before, but as I've used this and I've seen the results, now I can testify that the product actually works, guys. If I had known my hair would grow in length and volume, I would have done a before and after to show you guys. Now I can show you because it's wrapped in a bun, but guys, it has grown. In conclusion, this product does exactly what it says it would do. So if you're thinking of trying it, go ahead and try it and let me know your experience. And if you've already tried it, let me know your experience as well. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.